Welcome students. In today's class we shall be talking about fatty acids. What are fatty acids? A very interesting topic, and it comes many times in your examination also. What are fatty acids? So fatty acids occur mainly as esters in natural fats and oils, but do occur in unesterified form as free fatty acids also. A transport form found in only blood plasma. So what are these? These are esters of natural fats and oils. The chain may be saturated or unsaturated. So they can be either saturated or they can be either unsaturated. So what are the saturated? They only contains single bonds. Whereas in case of unsaturated they contain one or more double bonds. Now let us first understand the structure of a fatty acid. How does a fatty acid looks like? We all know that fatty acids are a group of organic molecules that contain long hydrocarbon chain with a hydrophilic head. So a long hydrophobic chain having a polar head at the end, that is mainly a carboxylic group. So this is the general structure for a fatty acid. Now let us understand one by one what are these fatty acids. First of all, we shall be discussing about saturated fatty acids, saturated form of fatty acids. Now let us start with saturated fatty acids. We are all familiar with the naming of these carboxylic group containing biomolecules. So once again, for the naming of fatty acids, we shall be starting with the simplest form of acetic acid. We all are familiar with the structure of acetic acid. What is this? This is the simplest form of fatty acid known as acetic acid. And it is the first member of the series in which a CH2 group is added progressively between the terminal methyl, this terminal methyl, and carboxylic groups, this one. So we can say a methylene group is added always in between them. So with the progressive addition of these CH2 groups, a few branched fatty acids may also be formed. Now let us understand some of the common names for them. I will be drawing a table to get a clear picture of this. So number of carbon atoms, and their common name. So if it is containing only 2 carbon atoms, it is known as acidic. The common name will be acidic. For 3 carbons, it will be propionic. For 5 carbons, it will be valeric. For 6 carbons, it will be caproic. For 12 carbons, it will be lauric. For 14 carbons, it will be myristic. For 16 carbons, it will be palmitic. And for 18 carbons, it will be stearic. So I hope this is clear to you all. For 2 carbons it's acidic, for 5 valeric, for 12 lauric, 14 myristic, 16 palmitic and 18 stearic. So this was all regarding the saturated fatty acids. These are all saturated fatty acids. Now let us draw a structure for this saturated fatty acid. We will be starting with myristic acid. Myristic acid are 14 carbon compound, myristic acid. So we all know that myristic acid is containing how many carbon atoms? 14 carbon atoms. So the general formula for myristic acid will be just have a look at here, CH3 CH2 12 times and then comes COOH. So a total of 14 carbons are there. Now we shall be drawing the structure for this. Remember the terminal carbon is a carboxylic group. So the last carbon will be a carboxylic group. So this is the structure for myristic acid. This is the structure for myristic acid. Now let us once again calculate the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is the structure for myristic acid. Now to understand the concept in detail, we can also draw the structure of say stearic acid. Let us take another example of stearic acid. Now here the stearic acid will be containing 18 carbon atoms. So the stearic acid will be containing 18 carbon atoms. Now we shall be drawing the structure for stearic acid. The general formula for stearic acid will be containing the 18 carbon atoms, so it will be CH3 CH2 16 times and then COOH. So this is a general formula for stearic acid. Now let us draw the structure for this. We can draw it in a simple form also. You can have a look at that. Now at last it will be containing a carboxyl group. Now let us count the digits. Let us count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and then 18th carbon atom. So this is the structure for stearic acid. I hope from here it is clear to you. We can also mention the CH2 groups like this in the myristic acid, and we can also simply form this straight chain in which each pointed end refers to a carbon atom. So I have drawn two structures for you, myristic acid and stearic acid. You may also practice it by drawing the structure for palmitic acid, that is containing 16 carbon atoms, or arachidic acid, that is containing 20 carbon atoms. So students, I hope now the structure and what are saturated fatty acids, it is clear to you. In our next class we shall be starting with the unsaturated fatty acids.